200 vibrations a second. This is the image slowed down 2,000 times. Whoever invented tattoos is terrible. Tattoos cause irreversible damage to the immune system. When you get a tattoo, there are tiny needles sticking into your skin, up to 200 times a second. After the tattoo, your skin will be in horrible condition, if you're a fan of tattoos. I suggest you watch this video before you consider getting a tattoo. Before the tattoo begins, the tattoo artist will shave the skin. Then he applies petroleum jelly. Vaseline is then applied and the design is stamped onto this skin, tracing the lines of the design with a tool. Once everything is ready, the tattoo artist takes out the tattoo gun and starts tattooing. Zooming in and slowing down, you'll see that these densely packed fine needles will travel fast on top of your skin. It's going into the skin about 200 times a second. Even for a small piece of design, you will have to endure tens of millions of needles of pain. The tattoo is not finished until hours later. The physical pain isn't the worst part. It also causes pain to the immune system. When the tattoo gun works, the pigment molecules inside the ink penetrate the dermal layer of the skin. At this point, the immune system begins to recognize these pigment molecules and identifies them as invaders. The immune system then orders the immune cells to attack. Although the immune cells are numerous, they are still no match for the pigment molecules. In the end, they can only retreat. That is why it is very difficult to clean the tattoo completely. Once you choose to get a tattoo, those patterns are likely to stay with you for the rest of your life. So you need to think carefully before getting a tattoo. Do you have tattoos on your body? What kind of design does it have?